Guys, so today I'm going to be making some slime with Dawn dish soap with flour. It's almost the same thing as the recipe from yesterday, but I did the only thing that differs, I used shampoo. So this time I'm using Dawn dish soap. You can use any dish soap. Okay, so first you just want to do is scoop some and just put it in. I don't know if this is going to work. I'm testing this out. So then you just want to mix it up. It's thickening up, I can tell. Look, see, look, guys. It's thickening up fast. And then you just want to put a little bit more flour in there. And you just want to put a little bit more flour in there. And then you just want to keep stirring until it stick. Dang, guys, that works. Like, dang. Look how thick it is. See, look. And it smells like green apple. And it smells like green apple, guys. Like, exactly like green apple. So I'm just putting more flour in it. Just putting more flour in it. So then after that, when you feel like it's thick enough, just take the spoon out. So you see like it's thickening out. So then you just want to feel it. So your hands can get used to it. Oh crap. So if it's still like sticky, just put it back in. So if it's sticky, just put the rest in. Because I don't know if this is going to work. Because most of the time in my flour recipes, the flour does the trick and it always works. So you just want to mix that up. See, it's working. See? And it's green. You just take the rest of the spoon, stir it in here. And then there's any leftovers, you can get it or just throw it away. I like the flour recipes because they work really well. But after time, they just dry out like really fast. If you leave them out, they dry out, or you don't play with it, or if they get old, it's just gonna dry out. But this is actually like soft, really soft Play-Doh or clay. See, it's green. Smells just like green apple. Now you should try this because it's like, and what kind of scent of dish soap you have, that's the scent of your slime. And I like the colorful dish soap because so you want to use food coloring. Want to use any food coloring. See? To use any, look, see, it's already done. It's like white mixed with green. See, look, this is my slime next from yesterday. From yesterday's video compared to this one. So let me go take this one out. Look. Put in the comments which one you like better. Yesterday's one with the shampoo and flour, and this is with dish soap and flour. To be honest, this one is softer than this one. This one is way softer and it feels better. But over time, this might dry out too. Feels like Play-Doh, boy. And this is all the mess I made. Alright guys, so if you like this video, make a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, put the thumbs down button. And it won't hurt my feelings. And turn on post notifications so every time I make a new video, y'all will see it. And comment down below for from other stuff, videos y'all will want me to. Comment down below to see what other new videos I will want me to do. I made a mistake right there. And then subscribe because I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. I only have 2 subscribers, so I want to get to 100 subscribers. Bye.